Hello, my name is Oliver Garden, the Dean of the School of Veterinary Medicine here at Louisiana State University. I am so happy to see you here today. A warm welcome from all of us at LSU Vet Med. From our students, existing students, staff and faculty, and me, we wish you a very exciting, insightful and informative day that we hope you enjoy. We would like to show you the wonderful graduate student experiences that you can have right here in the middle of the campus at LSU Vet Med. We do groundbreaking biomedical, veterinary and One Health research that really helps to better lives. We love our vibrant graduate student population, master's students and PhDs, and they are growing in number. We are building a great infrastructure to nurture their talents and enable them to flourish and grow and feel, as they truly are, members of our vibrant and growing community. We want you to enjoy your time here. We want you to take us into consideration as a destination of choice for your graduate education and graduate opportunities. We've had a long history of graduating students from LSU Vet Med from the early 80s. Many of our alumni who've moved through and beyond this school have undertaken illustrious and insightful and impactful careers. You could be one of them. So enjoy the day. It's a warm welcome from me, and as we always like to say, go Tigers!